Hello everyone, welcome back to workshop update number 3 now. So it's New Year's Eve today, so this video will probably go out on New Year's Day, so Happy New Year to you all. Job today, just clear this workshop out really, start moving some cabinets etc, workbenches over. So I've probably been here for about half an hour now, just trying to work out where to begin. So alright, let's crack on. We'll get some footage along the way. Busy day so far in the unit. Just show you outside while it's daylight. Like I say, we haven't done anything on the front yet. We've got to get rid of them steps, just tidy the whole front up, get our signage, get some signs in the windows and doors. Just like I say, just tidy it all up really out the front. But we're going for a bit of a rebrand at the minute, so when that's all done I'll go through it all with you. And then inside the unit, like I say, we've been quite busy today really. Still got the stud work. I still need to find a home for that until we get that a Buffy office block. But it's not in the way too much at the minute. Cleared the doorway. So now when you're driving in, you've got loads of room now. Toolboxes, they should be going this week. Like I say, we're just looking after them for someone until he gets in his new unit. Sink unit, I couldn't take that out today. Still got water going to it. There's no tap inside the toilet. There's one underneath the sink. So what I'll have to do is just turn the water off, cap the pipe off, and then we can rip all that out. And then we've moved some Dura toolboxes over. So along that wall, got a cabinet and a bin unit and my toolbox, and it all fits pretty nice there, to be honest. Nothing's bolted together just yet. I'm going to have to pull it all out to paint the wall anyway, and then we can get some electric to them sockets, get them working. But what I'll do is I'll leave it like that for a week or so, just to see how it all works really. Toolbox is kind of in the middle of the two ramps, so that should be good. And then we've got a bit of workbench on top of these units when they're all cleared away. Not done too much down this side of the wall yet. You can just see already all the space in the doorway. But yeah, it's getting there. So we've moved our drawer workbench and another bin unit over here in the corner. Everything needs a good tidy up at the minute, but we're kind of getting a home for everything. So that'll be the workbench, and there's still room there for a toolbox when working on the ramp. So plenty of wall space still available. Got to get rid of all that stuff there yet. That will have a home, and then we'll hopefully make a start on the office block over the next few weeks. Once that's done, we can move the rest of the Dura kind of workstations inside, see what fits in there. Not going to be left with too much over the other side. I've got to leave a couple of units over there, but most of it will come over here now, so it's worked out pretty well. So once his sink unit's all gone, I've got like a big cabinet, and then I think there's like 5-6 drawer cabinet. So cabinet will go where the sink is, and then it's got lockers on top, electrics, so that'd be handy for like storing the diagnostic equipment, etc. And then got the drawers for kind of everyday specialist tools, or not every day, but brake pipe flaring tools, etc. And then we're going to have the big cabinet next to it, and that's going to be for kind of like everyday big tools, pull down bar, engine hoist. Not something you use all the time, but kind of main workshop toolage. You can just go in there, grab it, and then timing tools, etc., that you probably use once every month, depending on the vehicle. All that will be in the tool room then. That's the plan anyway. So yeah, I'm really happy with today's progress. I mean, it's actually looking like a workshop now, so it's going to make it a lot easier to work in. Got most bits over here now, so not back and forth all the time. Like I say, got the workbench over here, got the toolbox, couple of bins now, and some storage for some tools. So still plenty to do. Oh, we've also brought over a scrap bin and a like waste oil bin container out the back there. So that's helped us a lot, and that will be good when we're back to work in the new year. Yeah, excited to see the progress. Excited to see how it comes along, really. Walls, we'll have to give them a bit of a paint. They're not too bad when we moved in here. They're pretty nice and white, but they just want touching up. Then obviously we'll paint the office block anyway. So flooring, I'm a bit undecided what to do at the minute. In the other side, we kind of put loads of resin down. Looked really nice, but it wasn't cheap, so I'm not too sure what to do at the minute. We haven't got that kind of spare money at the minute. We've installed in the MOT bay, etc. So I'm not too sure. If we do go down that route, what I'll do is I'll have some darker squares, kind of where the cars sit on the ramps. It was a bit too light over the other side, so any brake work, messy work, it's a bit of a nightmare to keep on top of. So we'll probably go for a light colour and then a bit of a darker shade around the ramps. But that's all to come. So thanks for watching. Update number 3. Plenty more updates to come. Like I say, Happy New Year to everyone. Plenty to be done in the new year on this unit, and exciting times for work. We'll do some more videos, get some more car repair videos uploaded in the new year. Progress on the units, the MOT side, the MOT bay, and then the stock cars. So plenty to do in the new year. Looking forward to it. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.